A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a highly anticipated announcement, Chancellor Rachel Reeves has delivered her blockbuster budget, which she claims will raise taxes by an astonishing £40 billion. This sweeping fiscal plan has sparked a heated debate across the nation, with various groups celebrating and lamenting the implications of the changes. Among the most significant announcements is the controversial decision to subject family wealth held in pension pots to inheritance tax starting in 2027. This move has sent shockwaves through households, as many families had previously believed their pension savings were safe from such taxation. Additionally, landlords are bracing for increased costs, as the Chancellor has proposed additional stamp duty on second homes, a decision that experts warn could further burden renters already struggling with housing costs. On a more positive note for workers, the Chancellor has announced a substantial 6.7% increase in the national minimum wage, bringing it to £12.21 per hour from April 2025. This increase represents an annual boost of £1,400 for full-time workers, a move that Reeves described as a significant step towards fulfilling labor's commitment to establishing a genuine living wage. However, critics argue that this wage still falls short of the £12.60 per hour living wage calculated by the Living Wage Foundation. In a nod to the elderly, the state pension is set to rise by 4% in April, thanks to the government's commitment to the triple lock. This increase will see the weekly benefit reach £230.30 for pensioners, along with an additional £460 per year. However, the freeze on income thresholds means that many pensioners will find themselves paying income tax for the first time starting in 2027, raising concerns about the financial strain on older citizens. Carers have also received a boost, as the earnings threshold for carers' allowance will increase, allowing them to earn more while still receiving support from the government. This change is expected to provide much-needed financial relief to those who dedicate their lives to caring for others. In a surprising twist, the Chancellor has announced a reduction in draft beer duty, which will lower the cost of a pint by a penny. This decision has been met with enthusiasm from pubgoers, as it represents a small victory amidst a sea of tax increases. However, the budget is not without its drawbacks. The increase in national insurance contributions for employers by 1.2 percentage points is a significant blow to businesses, potentially leading to reduced pay for employees or increased costs for consumers. This move is expected to raise £25 billion for the Treasury, but at what cost to the workforce? Moreover, the announcement of a 50% increase in air passenger duty for private jet owners has raised eyebrows, with many questioning the fairness of such a tax hike. Meanwhile, commercial passengers will see only a modest increase of no more than £2 for short-haul flights, a change that may not significantly impact the average traveler. The Chancellor has also made moves to reform the taxation of investment profits, increasing capital gains tax rates for non-property assets. This change is likely to affect shareholders and investors, who may see their tax bills rise when selling their assets. As the dust settles on this budget, it is clear that there are both winners and losers. Minimum wage workers, carers, and pensioners may find some relief, while families dealing with inheritance, employers, and landlords are left grappling with increased financial burdens. The Chancellor's balancing act of raising revenue while attempting to provide support to those in need will undoubtedly be scrutinized in the coming weeks and months. As the government moves forward with these proposals, it remains to be seen how the public will react and whether these changes will lead to the desired economic outcomes or further exacerbate existing inequalities. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.